Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters throughout the world. I wish you to be in the best of your health and I wish you to be safe. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the healthcare professionals throughout the world who are working tirelessly in order to isolate, curtail, and treat the coronavirus patient. You people have been the source of inspiration for the video that I'm sharing today. I have been thinking that what sort of mask will quench the thirst of the people who are out there, because I realized that N95 mask or dust mask or whatsoever mask you may be using will become useless once it absorbs moisture. Normally N95 would last you for 10 days, and if you are performing surgeries or if you're a healthcare professional, usually it's just 5 procedures. So while we struggle with the coronavirus, the mass shortage is there, the supply chain is disrupted, and I thought about it. So I've designed and 3D printed this reusable mask. What it is it's a housing. Can be called as a breather, but it comes in with a cartridge. It's a simple housing. It has got one threaded end. The intention is that you can put your filter in there, put your media in there, close it, and use it again as a respirator. After you're done, after 10 days, you can change it again. I'll just give you a demonstration of how to use it. You can use a vacuum bag if you need to, but this is a 95% air filter which I've got from a friend of mine, Faisal Shahra. Very thankful to you. This has been acquired only because of this demonstration. There's a disc on top of it so that you can close it, completely seal it off. Once it's sealed, put the thread back on, and your breather is just working fine. I've also tried to make it comfortable and ergonomic for people's ease. I'm working out the bits and details. I will share the file soon, and the intention is to make it available for everyone throughout the world. Whoever has got 3D printer, whoever can help someone, and in the future I'm also open towards opportunities to vacuum form it on a large scale. I'm making another prototype just for that purpose, and if anyone needs help, no matter it be splitting up ventilators for 4 patients or it be making a DIY ventilator, and if you need my help to 3D print or to design something, just let me know. My name is Hissaan and I'm calling this as a Pakistan mask. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.